If your arm needs a massage, then you need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought this. It's by Roleo, not Rolo, the delicious chocolate caramel treat. And this is for massaging kind of your hand and your forearm. If you have something like tennis elbow or maybe fatigue from typing, holding a mouse, sore muscle from golf, sports, gardening, working out, this is something that hopefully will allow you to apply some pressure as well as get some kneading action on your arm. Now, I have never used this before, but there are many times that your arms just feel tired, and I feel like, especially because I have a massage chair, I can just get in that and have my back treated to a nice massage, but nothing's really massaging my arms. Now, one of the reasons that I really like this is obviously it seems to be portable. It's a plastic construction here, has this base that will sit on a table. These are foam, so there are little pads here so you don't have to worry about marring up your table. But what's really interesting here is this little knob. And so what you can see here is it says pressure on it, and you can add or release pressure. So what that will do is it's somehow creating tension on this bar right here. So if I increase pressure like this, hopefully that will not move as much, right? So if I keep tightening that sucker down, more pressure on there. I wouldn't say it's real hard pressure, but if I lighten it up now, flows a little freer. I would say, to be really honest, I could probably tighten this all the way down, and I actually like the fact that it's more pressure than less, so you can adjust that to your desired pressure level. There are two rollers here. This bottom one, which is just free spinning but doesn't move anywhere, has these little nibs on it, so if your hand is down, that'll give you some nice kneading action down there. And then this one, which is just round, also has a couple of these bumps here, so it'll kind of center your hand a little. But like I said, you can put your hand in here, roll through here, put your arm through here. Ooh, yeah. And I'll tell you what, even though this is the high pressure, especially when I get here to my forearm, it's almost too tight. So I'm just gonna lighten that up a little bit. Yeah, all right, now I can get all the way up there. Yeah, get my forearm nice and massaged. I tell you what, I thought, man, wouldn't it be nice to have more pressure? This provides a ton of pressure, and it's got some nice weight to it, so it's kind of staying in place. I'm using this hand to brace it in there, but man, this is kind of nice, dude. Especially, you know, when you come home and your arm is fatigued, like I said, golf, tennis, baseball, those types of things, this can just help work that out. And my biceps are so big, I probably can't get my whole arm all the way through there, but if you're smaller than me, you might be able to get all the way up to your elbow, kind of just massage all of that, you know, sideways, up and down. But for a lot of us, when using the mouse, your hand gets cramped up, you know, roll your hand through here just like that. That feels good too. I tell you what, man, this Roleo Pro, nonetheless, professional grade, is pretty cool, and you can adjust it, and it's very small, so you can put it anywhere. I tell you what, if you have hand, arm pain that you are trying to address, this might be a great option. I think this feels great, dude. I mean, I got it for myself, and it seems to be working. Hey, if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever face.